Oh, never mind. No, I don't. And it's drizzling. But this is where we're staying. Just for a while. Just till the vacation ends and while that tree is bending over. Trey, stop bending over. No, there's, yeah. Farm. I don't know if you can see those things. There's cows over there. I don't know if you see them. Let's see those cows. So yeah, guys, we're staying here for just break, Christmas break, or whatever it is. Mario Mokai, I'll hold videos. Rate, comment, subscribe. Guys, I love you, but getting extremely birds are going crazy. Oh, trash bag on balloon. Oh, trash bag on balloon. Okay. So yes, guys, it is extremely windy. There's horses, dogs, cats, and bunny rabbits everywhere. But you only get to see them sometimes. Remember last time from the last episode, we had this antler from a deer.
Not mine.
Cool. Guys, it is drizzling out here. Oh look, there's the dogs.
Running.
There's dogs. Those are two stray dogs, but they love to play with each other. Here's my grandpa. He's fixing our car. Hey guys, it's me again, and my big black jacket, and I'm going really fast. But we do have nice farm around here. Sometimes there's rabbits, sometimes there's coyotes, and the rabbits eat, or the coyotes eat the rabbits. And from wood shop, what I have here, it's this birdhouse I'm making wood shop. So yeah. And we got some plants over here. So I just wanted to take the time to film the animals. Thanks again for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, and subscribe.